Hey beautiful people, in today's video I'm so excited to do a little ab and core workout using yoga and breath work, and we're really going to breathe through this, you guys. We're going to get our abs toned and tight, get our six-pack looking right. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video, you guys. And if you're watching, please subscribe to the channel for loads more. It literally helps me so much and enables me to make so much more content for you guys, which I literally love doing. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing we're just going to be doing is coming into a forward fold, which is amazing for your digestive system. It really helps to improve it, helping your body to get rid of waste. And ensure you're folding from your hips, not your lower spine, to prevent any injury. So feel free, if this is tricky, to bend your knees to allow you to get deeper, and you will really feel it stretching your hamstrings. Ensure to exhale as you lower and then inhale as you raise all the way up. We are now just going to come into boat pose. This pose is amazing at strengthening your core. It also helps to improve your balance and your confidence. So we've just raised our legs up. You can come into this pose if this feels comfortable. Stay here. If you want more of a challenge, you can also extend your legs all the way up. And remember to breathe whilst in this pose. Just breathing deep. Let the stomach expand as you inhale. Let it contract back in, sucking the navel towards the spine as you exhale. And you can look up as you inhale. Just holding onto the heels. You can also try releasing the heels and see how you can hold it, really holding with your core. Now we're just going to roll back like so, and try not to place your hands on the mat. So we're really using our core strength to push us up, and then roll back down, and then come back into that boat pose. If you would like even more of a challenge, try to touch your forehead to your knees. Holding onto the heels, really staying engaged with your core. Release the hands and see if you can really keep that engagement. Really engaging for the core muscles. And then now we are just gonna lower our legs and then raise them up, and then roll back like a ball again, and then roll forward. Now just placing our hands on the mat, we are just gonna come in and out from each side, working those obliques. And we are going to be doing 30 of these. Keep breathing, you guys. Inhale, exhale. You got this. You can do this. We are almost there. Keep pushing. Keep breathing. Well done. Now we are just going to come back to our boat pose, really engaging for the core, and then grab hold of your ankles and straighten your legs if you can. Up and breathe, you guys. Take a moment to breathe, deeply inhaling, exhaling. And only if you can or feel comfortable, take your head to knee stretch. If not, you're more than fine in this position. And now we're just going to get ready for the next exercise. We are going to go side to side twist like so, and we are going to be doing 30 of these as well. Keep breathing. So let's go, twisting side to side like so. If this is too tricky, you can place your feet on the mat. Keep breathing, keep pushing, you can do this. We are engaging the core muscles. You are powerful, you got this. Breathe through it, you guys. Well done. Now we're just going to extend our legs all the way back up. If you're here, that's perfectly fine. If you want to challenge, again, raise them all the way up and keep breathing, you guys. Allowing your stomach to expand as you inflate your stomach with air and then contract it all back in, sucking that navel towards the spine as you exhale. Now lowering our feet, and we're just going to rock again and try to not use your hands. Really engaging from the core muscles. And then now lower yourself vertebra by vertebra all the way down slowly to the mat. Now we are just going to do toe taps. Really suck that navel towards your spine. And we are doing 30 toe taps as well. 15 on each leg. Keeping the core engaged and keep breathing through. You can do this. Well done. Next up is bicycle crunches, but we're going to do them very slow and controlled. So each time your opposite elbow and opposite knee touch, you're going to take an inhale and an exhale. So it's very slow and controlled, and keep your core engaged the whole time. And we're doing 30 of these as well, ensuring to keep it very slow and feel that touch, the contact between your opposite elbow and opposite knee, and holding your core strong the entire time. Keep breathing, focus on the exhale and the inhale, and ensure on the exhale to really suck your navel towards your spine. Keep breathing through it, we're almost done. Well done. Now it's time to raise our legs all the way up. Just taking a moment to breathe here. And now raise your legs all the way up like so. And then we're just going to crisscross. And we are going to be doing 20 times crisscrosses. Keeping the core beautifully engaged. Keep going. Well done. Now flex the feet, and as you do, lower and then point as you raise them all the way back up. And we're just going to do this 10 times. Now bringing them all the way in, and give yourself a nice little hug like a ball. Now using your core strength, let's roll all the way up. And then we are basically going to come back to our boat pose again. When you're ready, coming back into our boat pose and breathe in this pose. Keep breathing. Well done. Now we are going to come back and bring our legs all the way down. And then we're going to come into our plow pose. Breathe and lengthen space into the spine and breathe into any tension in your hamstrings. This pose is amazing at de-stressing and calming your mind and your spirit. You can also clasp your hands behind you like so. This pose is really great for improving your digestive system as it massages and tones the digestive organs, helping you to shed weight easier. It helps to relieve stress, it stimulates and regulates the thyroid gland, and it also helps to nourish the spine. And it's also great if you suffer from headaches. I just raised my legs and I'm twisting from side to side. You do not have to do this. You can keep your toes firmly on the mat. Now we are just going to raise each leg separately, and you can also hold your hands there to support your back if you want to, or you can clasp them behind you and then just lower to come out of it. And now we are going to do like a stomach vacuum. So it's basically cat pose, but we're going to really hold it to really like just detox and cleanse our stomach and also like strengthen the abdominal area because we've just worked it out. So we're just going to hold it, really sucking our belly button towards our spine. This is really great for strengthening your core. Now we're just coming back up into cow pose. Cat's cow is literally amazing if you suffer from any stress, anxiety, or depression, and you flow with your breath. Inhale as you raise all the way up. Exhale as you round the spine and suck in your stomach towards your spine. Really exhale, rounding the spine and the neck, and then chin to chest, and then look up. Deep inhale. Now we've just extended our arms and we've came all the way into puppy pose. This pose is amazing at opening up the front body. Amazing heart opener. Just release and let go. This pose can help if you suffer from intense period pain. It can also help to relieve stress, anxiety, and it's also a great stretch for your spine. Now we've came up into a plank, and then we are just going to take an inhale, and then we're going to kind of move forward, and then as we exhale we're going to lower our bodies towards the mat, chaturanga. Now raise all the way up, opening up the heart into upward facing dog, and then get ready to push back, exhale into downward facing dog, and release the toes to the mat. See if you can open up even deeper for the front body, letting go and releasing of any tension, anything that no longer serves you. Just exhale it, let it go. Now we're just going to come into heel taps. We're going to do 30 heel taps before we finish this workout off. We're just going to lower our bodies all the way vertebra by vertebra, very slowly and controlled to the mat. Keeping the core engaged, we are just going to tap each heel 30 times. Keeping our shoulders lifted, but there should be no tension in your neck as you should be using your core strength. Well done, we're almost done. Keep breathing. Well done. Now just raising our legs all the way up and then flex them to lower and now we are just gonna come into a beautiful forward fold, which is incredible for your digestive health, helping to detox and cleanse your internal organs. And if you find this really hard, please bend your knees to ensure that you're folding from the hips and not the lower spine, as this could result in injury. So yeah, feel free to bend your knees if you've got really tight hamstrings. However, if you want a challenge, please grab your ankles and pull your head closer to your knees. If that's not challenging enough, grab your toes, or you can even place your hands underneath your feet for an even deeper stretch. This is so calming for the central nervous system. Just like breathe here, you guys, and just release. You have done an incredible job today. And now we're going to take it to a wide legged forward fold, like so, and try to grab each ankle, bringing your head all the way down to the mat. If this is too much, just stay in your regular forward fold. This is amazing at relieving stress, anxiety, and just cultivating peace and stability and knowing that you are one. Literally, you are at peace and at ease, and you're safe and you're protected. Deeply inhale to the body and exhale. With each exhale, surrender deeper into this pose. Now, slowly coming out, and then we're just going to take a deep inhale as we raise our arms all the way up, cultivating that peace, and then bring your hands to your heart and thank your heart, bowing down to our hearts for our practice. Thank you, guys. You're incredible. You're powerful. You are stronger than you could ever imagine. And be grateful to yourself for this practice. I love you. I shall see you in my next upload.